Hello, third graders. Today is Wednesday, which means it is the practice test spelling day. When we do the practice test, we're practicing and getting ready for our test for tomorrow. And so you're going to need your word study book, a piece of paper out of number 3 over in the paper, your iPod, and a pencil. So you will use, you won't use your word study book, so kind of set it aside. You'll use your iPod and your paper. You will need your headphones so that you can listen to your words on your own. I'm not going to use headphones because I want you to be able to hear what I'm hearing, but when you do it, you'll want to use your headphones so that everyone in class doesn't hear you. So the very first thing you want to do is go to your iPod and find the music app. So this is the music app. So go to the music app and then make sure that you're out at the main list. So click the arrows until you see a main list like this. So it's playlists. If you are looking at something like this where it says songs at the top, you need to touch playlist at the bottom. So it was on songs, so it says songs at the top, and when I touch playlist at the bottom, then it shows all the different playlists, and you want to get on to the spelling test playlist. And then you'll look on the board for your spelling test number. My spelling test number is LS38, so I'm going to write that on the top of my paper, LS38. So then I'm going to go to my playlist and look for spelling test LS38, and then I'll touch it. Make sure your volume is up so you can hear it.
This is spelling test LS38. You have 2 regular columns and an oddball column.
Okay, so when I tell you how many columns you have, you need to make sure that you make those on your paper. So you can hit pause right here anytime to pause your iPod. So you're gonna write that you have an oddball column and 2 other columns. So now my paper is ready for my practice test. So then I'll push the play button.
Make sure you listen to the word and the sentence before you write it down. Write your heading words first, followed by your regular words. Your first word is cat.
Okay, so I'm going to listen to the word and the sentence. So I'm going to press play and listen to the sentence.
The cat flew out of the house. Cat.
So I listened to the word and the sentence. Then I'm going to come over here, and my first heading word is cat, so I'm going to write that down. And I'm going to go back over here.
And your next heading word is sock. I forgot to wear one of my socks. Sock.
So I'm going to go over here and write sock.
The first regular word is map. I used a map when we went on our trip. Map.
You can pause it at any time. If it's going too fast or too slow, you can pause it at any time. So go ahead and hit pause on the video now so that you can do your practice spelling test. Okay, so if this was my whole spelling test and it was done, my whole spelling test isn't done because I didn't really take it, but yours should be really done. So if it's not done, hit pause until it's done. Once your whole spelling test is really done, you're going to get your word study book out and turn to the page that shows your sort. So this page shows my sort, and I'm going to check my word study book and make sure that I don't have any mixed spelled words. And so after I check to see if I have misspelled words, I'm going to circle the ones that are misspelled. So this one should be spelled fox, and this one should be spelled lot. So you're going to circle any misspelled words you have. Then once you've circled them, you're going to turn your paper over and you're going to write each word 5 times. So I'll write fox 5 times, and I'll write lot 5 times. So once you've checked to see if you've written them or that you've done them all correctly, you've circled the ones that are incorrect, wrote them 5 times on the back, then you'll turn this paper in my box. You don't need to turn your word study book in this time, just turn the paper in, but make sure that you did it correctly, you checked it, and you wrote any misspelled words on the back. Good luck on your practice spelling test and your regular spelling test tomorrow. See you later.